description.
Wow, everybody's dressed up in Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something kind of cool. We got a Pac-Man. Look. Here, I'll just take this out because it's all ready to go. But, Pac-Man packaging for Maruchan instant lunch. It's just chicken flavor instant lunch. Nothing crazy going on here. That's all we got going on. But it's in a festive and interoperable Pac-Man display deal thing. So that's kind of fun. And that goes for 30 minutes. But you could watch this, or we could come over here and we can play Pac-Man. I think. Hopefully, you'll be able to see it. And oh, we got a new AC unit, so it won't work the same. Huh. Well, let's grab the chair. Maybe you can live on the chair for a couple moments. Here, you're about the height of one of my kids now. Boy, that's not too easy for you to see. Dude, this sucks. I was all excited. Here, we'll just go like this. There you go. This is difficult. Whoa. Yeah, now we're playing Pac-Man. I never really played Pac-Man, to be quite honest. I played Ms. Pac-Man. Yeah. Yeah, we always had Ms. Pac-Man in our grocery store, and I would play that. My mom would give me a few quarters, do the grocery shopping, and then, yeah. And then she'd be like, okay, it's time. But I played so much back then that it's like, I'd still have quarters left at the end, which is pretty groovy. Spoon, fork, we're gonna tamp it down, and scissoring. These scissors need to go back in here, because those were for the backdrop. Anyways, so yeah, today is the 21st day of October 2025. It's been a few days, and it's been interesting. I think on the last episode I mentioned how my leg went crazy. It did it again. It did it again at the yesterday morning, actually. And so we had to call the paramedics. They came over and they wrapped it up again. I'm like, dude, this is no bueno. It was like just fine for 3 days. It's this tiny little thing. So I was lucky. I got an appointment with my doctor and saw him this morning. He's like, it looks good. It's all scabby. It's the way you want to see it. You're good to go. I'm like, yeah, you don't need to put like some nails and a steel plate over it. I mean, it was gushing everywhere, like across the room gushing. He's like, no, just keep a little pressure wrap on it and maybe put some Vaseline on it to keep it. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to give it a couple more days of chill out time. And so you'll be seeing me for that. I really wanted to do reviews yesterday, but I didn't get out to get scallions. So certain things when I do reviews, I gotta have on hand, and that is one of them. Depending on what I'm reviewing, 90% of the time, that's what I need. It's a noodle. Broth. Yep. That is a Maruchan instant lunch, ladies and gentlemen. It tastes like salty chicken broth and noodles and like literally 5 pieces dehydrated vegetable. And that's that, you know. It's a lot of people are like, that's the worst thing in the world. It's not even food. Blah, blah, blah. You know, it's food, all right. Is it my favorite ramen? No. If somebody gave me that and I was starving and it's all they had to offer me, I would be like, dude, rad, thank you. I don't really have a problem with these products. Some people like to get all like, I don't know why. Is it a 5-star? No. But look at all that noodle. I mean, if you're hungry and you don't have any money, this'll work. I mean, I think it'll work, won't it? Let's get rid of some of that noodle because I'm going to gussy this up. Okay. So first off, this is not how you're normally going to see it. It doesn't come with these things. If you're getting mad at me and trying to say, he's trying to say it comes with this, but it doesn't. It's like, no, I am not trying to say that in any way, shape, or form. It doesn't come with marinated jammy eggs. But there are egg. 2 halves of an egg. There, I can say something that involves pair or them rather than it or that. Okay. So there they are, the 2 halves of eggs, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to add the scallion. About there. And yes, that is an unhealthy amount of scallion. Don't try this at home. We got some chicken. Whee! Oh. I could have added Naruto Maki, which reminds me I should take some out. Not for this one though. Do a couple seeds. What else? I got some crushed red pepper. I don't think the pepper thread really needs to hang out on this one. There you go. Enjoy. Pac-Man style. Yep, gussied up instant lunch. The next one you're gonna see is something I am really stoked to have found. This is something I found at Fred Meyer, which also is known as Kroger. This is Smart Way beef flavor ramen noodle soup. And what's trippy about it? This is made in Brazil. So yeah. But that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.